So what is zone 2 and how do we find it? To start off, zone 2 ideally will be based off one of 5 zone models. Some people do get these confused a little bit when they think of a 3 zone model, when you say 1 is easy, 2 is medium or between the thresholds, and 3 is anything that's hard. That tends to make zone 2 a little bit too difficult for people. We're going to use a 5 zone model, and you'll see some images coming on screen here to show what zone 2 is. And it's ultimately before there's any kind of realistic uptick in levels of lactate that are produced by the body. Now, lactate isn't a bad thing, it's there to clear away other byproducts or to reduce levels of muscle acidity. We can look at that again in another video if there's enough of a demand for it. But that's essentially what zone 2 is, and is the level of true aerobic activity without any uptake in lactate, and leads to much lower levels of fatigue impacting on the body. The most accurate way to measure or to find out or identify where your zone 2 is to do a proper lactate graded test. Realistically, if it's for running or for cycling, you'll need to do a separate test there, because your heart rate zones will be slightly elevated for running as opposed to for cycling, unless you're like really experienced at both, such as a high level triathlete. Doing a lactate test will help to identify realistically where your aerobic and lactate thresholds are. Anything below that then is zone 1 or zone 2, as opposed to specifically identifying your zone 2, but that's the most accurate way to do it.